Hi everyone, welcome to the fifth part of our pyrolysis process series, pyrolytic oil gas to fuel conversion condensers. After the pyrolysis reactor does its job, we are left with an oil-gas mixture that needs to be condensed to convert into usable fuel. Today, we focus on two core condensers for this key step: shell and tube condenser and tank condenser. First is the shell and tube condenser. It is consisted of four systems: vertical condenser, horizontal condenser, oil-water separator, and condensing tower. Its multi-tube design enables efficient heat exchange, with cooling water circulating within the tubes, while the oil and gas cool and condense on the tube surfaces. It is highly customizable based on your plant's size and the amount of oil and gas produced. This makes it perfect for larger plants, with high condensing capacity, higher cooling efficiency, and stable performance and ease of transport. Typically, it requires the installation of a circulating water cooling tank, which incurs a slightly higher initial investment cost. Furthermore, regular maintenance is required, such as cleaning and unclogging the oil pipes to prevent the accumulation of carbon black carried by the oil and gas, which can clog the pipes. Next is the water tank condenser. Its structure is simpler and primarily a rectangular tank, with multiple coils inside. These coils are submerged in cooling water, where the water absorbs heat and induces condensation. Doing coil design features an inclined profile and varying tube thicknesses. This ensures adequate cooling of the oil and gas, reduces carbon black buildup, and facilitates maintenance. It can be bulky and takes up more space during transport, but the design is easy for installation, and it does track wire extra cooling water tank, which helps reduce investment costs. To sum up, both types of condensers convert oil and gas into liquid fuel. Choosing which pyrolysis oil condenser to use depends on your investment budget, cooling efficiency, installation, and maintenance preferences. If you have enough budget and want to achieve higher efficiency and higher oil yield, just choose shell and tube condenser. If you prefer easier installation and maintenance, water tank condenser is a good choice. In our next episode, we will dive into pyrolysis process 6, final products discharging devices. Stay tuned.
Doing waste to wealth. Fuel the future.